back to my channel. If you're new to this family, please subscribe. My name is Linda Kumalo. And then if you are a returning member, thank you, and I'm like day one. Guys, I am not okay. I am drinking woolies wine, organic. Oh, it's nice, but iyanxilisana sana. So I am about to take a shower. I had a long day, and I don't know if I'll be able to open this vlog here or what, cause I will take you through everything I did today. I woke up, suppose I went to do my nails, but unfortunately I didn't go to do my nails. I and Babe, we decided to go do shopping. Like, I needed a new washing machine, so we went to the store and then I came back. I did laundry, I cooked, and I did laundry, my cleaner, and he helped me with the cleaning, and then I cooked. But the cleaning part, it won't appear on this video. The cleaning part won't appear. Nje kuzovela lapho ngisemall khona, then unbox with you in washing machine, and then hi guys, good morning. Today it's Saturday morning, so I am going to do my nails. I will drive myself, but the thing, I don't know what the phone actually is over. So I need to buy myself a tripod for the car. I will see ukuthi ngiyakhona driver Dani, and then I'm waiting for my man to open the garage gate, and then so baby changed my plans. I didn't go to my nails. We went to Cash Bill to buy this thing. Is called those things. Spaghetti, lighter, ihariki. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, and then we went to check a washing machine. Hey guys, I am at the store. I want a washing machine, and they want to deliver a washing machine on Monday, and I need to do my laundry today. So I can't stand. I gotta go to another store. Sure. Because baby girl, hola.
Breaking news, we got a call that my stepkid broke his arm, so we had to rush him to hospital. Had luck, we couldn't watch the final match of Amabogobogo, but when we got to hospital, we celebrated Lemonades when we found out we won. Good morning, guys. Good morning. My name is Linda Kumalo. If you're new to this family, please subscribe. And then if you are a returning member, thank you, my day one, for being part of this family up until this far. So today it's Sunday morning. I wanna wake up, eat breakfast, and then go do my nails. And then mangibuya angifuni ukuyenza lutho, honestly. Mangibuya angifuni ukuyenza lutho. I just want to relax, and then later on I'll start cooking. Yo, my nails, it's almost 2 months not doing my nails, so I need to do my nails because next week I'm going somewhere. So during the week I won't have time. I won't have time, guys. Yesterday I went to the mall to run some errands. I came back and then I did my laundry. And then we got a call from a stepmom saying uzaba kuthiwa umntana like uphukile usekliniki. How? Because umntana is here months uvakashelana and then uphume as umuntu oyodlala. So wherever he was, uvele waphuka. We got a call, and then because I was busy cleaning, my partner went to the clinic to check umntana Tontoni, and then umntana came back around 7. And then I called the dad. I told him, yeah, you must come back. Umntana ubuyile. And then like he got a letter from a clinic ukuthi aye a hospital. Guys, I didn't even have chance to watch Boki. I was at the hospital. But when I got there, yo, like I'm a nurse. Like mama found out ukuthi we won. I'm a nurse, I'm a doctor. Baphuma, bacula nje, they sang it was nice. Abantu bakhohlwa nokuthi balimelelwe abantwana. Yeah. So yeah, we got back home around 1 o'clock. But ke akapenelwa mntana, and then like ukhonile ukuthola uncedo. He's returning to the hospital nini, I think on Wednesday. So nje angizingeni honestly. Yo guys, kuningi. I don't even know how am I going to edit this vlog. Actually, I didn't want to vlog. Honestly, I didn't want to vlog. But ngoba girl promised you guys ukuthi I will give you a content. I have to give you content. I will actually, guys, I don't have much to say. The only thing I will do, I will take you through what I did from Friday, because I started Friday. Yes, vlog. I started Friday in the corner. I went to Woolies. I realized after Uber, I didn't vlog when I got there. So the only thing I did, that I was unpacking, but I did not unpack one by one. Feeling as bigger on the table, like then my vlogger, like I was not okay. I was not on my best mood for vlogging, honestly, because I was like, I want to vlog. And my plan was to do a sit down video, because girl unomugosi girl unomugosi, guys, ngimuhle yazi, ngimuhle ngimunhle. Guys, and again, now I'm a pink girl era. Even now, I hope this girl has pink color for my nails, because I want to do pink. I'm not sure if like I will need deco or I should do them plain. I'm not sure. And then on my toes, I do have a white gel, so I won't do my toes because I'm alright. I settled. Yeah, kuningi. So I don't know whether baby uzongkhapha or I will request there. I'm not sure. Honestly, I'm not sure, but let me get ready. Oh, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. You guys are trying to comment. Are you like the only comment I had on my last video? I think I had 3 comments. Guys, commentani ningasabi. Nisho ukuthi no lindo kuhle here and there. Zilungise, baby girl. Understand? That's how I will learn ukulungisa ama-video wami, learn from my mistake, ukuthi no le engiyenzela I was wrong, I was supposed to do this, because on my first video I'm going to post. I went to my Facebook page. I went to my Facebook and ngacela abantu ukuthi please go subscribe and please comment, even if like it's inbox comment ubone usho ukuthi like where should I fix and the guy wrote me nje paragraph, and I appreciate because I learned from my mistake. Okay, guys.
the weather is cold outside, so I am wearing my tracksuit. I think I bought it at gym. That was long ago, 2 years I think. And then I'm just wearing a tracksuit because the weather is not good. It's not good, yeah. And then I will come back and do the rest. I'm done eating my breakfast. Oh guys, how can I forget? Oh baby got us a new member in the family, a flower, but we haven't named him or her, but her. I will show you. Now we have a new baby. The family is growing. We've got a new baby in a family.
Happy Without Me from Tony Braxton. You heard Simple Days, courtesy of Babyface, as well
Hey guys, I am back from doing my nails. I'm a pink girl era. Yeah, so I am back. I love my nails. I don't want to lie. I love them. I wanted to do like all pink. And then I was like, no, even this will do. Yeah, will do as well. So guys, never mind go on my background. Oh baby, he's fixing a bathroom. A bathing bathroom. Yeah, and then guys, today suppose I'm a baby siyakubo Palm Ridge. Yeah, I think a Palm Ridge. It's here to Palm Ridge somewhere there. Siyakubo kune ceremony, but the weather, it's cold outside. I doubt would sorry I'll manage to go there. Hirara goes alone, and then ngizoshiyeka mina cook. Yeah, in the matter sharp day and day, cause it's so cold. Yeah, I did my nails. Your nails around the area. Yeah, I will take salon yakhe. She's a beginner, and like I am so satisfied doing umsebenzi wakhe. It's my second time doing my nails there, and guys, satisfied. So I'll just cook, clean, and then drink my wine, then prepare for tomorrow. Oh guys, I am not ready. Okay, I'm 17 home, so I need one more day because I am so tired. So baby did a lunch. There's no ramen.
Thanks for being part of this family, Loom My Favorite. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let a girl from Ekerhuleni grow. Engwana Weko Thokoza. Lot of love.